Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use your heat press. So right now I have this in preheat mode. It is actually building up to the temperature. It will notify us once it reaches that temperature, and then we'll be able to rotate this into place and then add our graphics and add our cover sheet, and we should be good to go. All right, so the only thing we're waiting for right now is for this to come up to temperature. All right, guys, so we're up to temperature. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna place our graphics right about where we want those to be pressed in. So that's about right here. Now, of course, you can use heat tape to hold this in place. I don't think it's gonna be necessary for this specific one, but I am gonna add this outer sheet here. We're just gonna line this up and just kind of rest it over like so. And then we're going to rotate this guy into place. And I'm going to press the auto button right here. And in just a few seconds, about 30 seconds, we should be good to go. It's counting down. Right now it's at 21 seconds. And as you guys see, it will auto lift. Then you can just rotate it out of the way. At this point, you can remove this upper sheet. This is a little warm, so be careful. And now we should be able to remove this outer plastic. Now that is a little bit on the warm side, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it is on there good. Looks good to me. I'm going to let that cool for a second and then I'll remove it. All right, guys, so I think this is cooled significantly. So we're just going to go ahead and start peeling this away. There we go. And this is what our graphic sheet looks like now that we have pressed it. And let's take a look at our shirt. There we go. That's how easy it was, guys. That's literally how easy it was to do my first heat press with this device. Hopefully this video has been helpful, if nothing else, entertaining. In a nutshell, guys, what I can say to you is this thing is really well built. So if you've been thinking about getting a heat press, this is one you definitely might want to take a look at. I am very, very impressed with this guy. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.